legend begins not too long ago. We red pandas met an invisible foe. It came and destroyed what we treasured most, our homes and our peace, and we named it the Ghost.
Ghost of the mountain, who knows where it will appear? Ghost of the mountain has a song living in fear.
We can't return home, it keeps coming back. The ghost won't give up cause it likes to attack. Living in hiding is all that we dared. We're tired and hungry, and so very scared.
Ghost of the mountain, it could be anywhere. Ghost of the mountain, it's behind every square.
It's a threat that you can't see. Who knows where it could be? Lurking behind any tree. Is it coming for me? So now we wait for our hero to come out of the sky like the rising sun. He'll drive out the ghost and act like it's fun. Sun Kun Kun, the chosen one.